Hey there. In this video, you're going to see something truly unusual. When I connect a load to the generator, instead of slowing down, it actually speeds up. The RPM increases, the driving motor is under less strain, and the energy required to keep the system running drops significantly. Yes, when the load is applied, the generator accelerates. This behavior goes completely against what we typically expect from electromagnetic systems. If you want to understand exactly how I achieved this, you'll find a full detailed explanation over on my Patreon page step by step. The link to Patreon is in the description below the video. If you found this interesting, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join me on Patreon to support the project and get access to more experiments and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.